Hello, Peter Ekstrom here. And for the past decade or so, I, along with Professor Harv Markovitz, have been teaching sales and marketing communications here at the Lubin School of Business, Pace University in New York City. The Gold Call Script Builder Kit serves as our textbook, and we're teaching our students how to make spontaneous conversation with sales prospects on the phone and to get a new sales appointment with a quality prospect booked to their calendar inside of a 4-minute phone call. Incredible! If you're someone that cold calls on the phone or spends a lot of time on the phone talking with prospects and are looking for a solution to a lot of the frustrations and disappointments that you're facing right now with prospects on the phone, the Gold Call Script Builder Kit will help you put the right words in the right place so that you can say them the right way and get your foot in the door and out of your mouth. The Gold Call Script Builder Kit. You can learn more about that scrolling down the page here, and you can take a look at the different modules of the Gold Call Script Builder Kit. And if you feel it's right for you, enroll in my course, and I'll show you how to close an appointment with a sales prospect inside of a 4-minute phone call. That sounds like a good idea. Looks like we'll be talking soon. But until then, this is Professor Pete saying so long for now, until our paths cross again. Happy hunting.